Hey guys, it's me, Lindsay, and today I'm filming a vlog on my phone. I'm filming on my phone because my demon cat, whichever one it was, I don't know which one it was, chewed my phone, chewed my charger for my camera, and I just wanted to get a video for you up. Hopefully I'm looking right at the camera. It's kind of like off center, so if I ever look over here, it's because I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I just need to get my life together and do some cleaning and stuff like that, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. I know I look rough. I just want to complain for a minute. This is going to be a complaining vlog. I have been so sick lately for like a month from having like sinus infection that lasted 3 weeks, and then now I've got like, I'm just gonna call it girly problems. I'm not gonna get into it, but girly problems, you know what that means. And I'm just having a horrible time. I'm just like, I try to censor myself on here because I don't know who's watching, which I think most of my viewers are women anyways, but you never know. I'm just like so depressed lately, and I'm just doing this so I have something to do. My husband recently started night shift, and yeah, it's been a change to get used to. So, and my bed is always messy in the back. I don't even have sheets on it. I don't even know where any sheets are. I gotta get my life together. So we're gonna clean this house and you're gonna come along with me. I got the ground chicken going. I use ground chicken instead of ground beef because I like the taste of it a little bit better. Ground beef kind of makes me feel weird sometimes. I don't know why. I like a little bit of ground beef, but I don't eat it all the time. I only eat it if I'm like going out to fast food and getting a burger or something like that. So yeah, I have this ground chicken going, and I've separated it all out. Some pieces are a little big still. I've got this little tool. I don't know how good it works, but I'm trying not to like burn the crap out of it. I had it on high. But yeah, I just realized my finger's been in the way this entire time. That's what happens when you're filming on your phone. I don't have like a tripod. Well, I do, but it always falls off and I'm scared my phone's gonna fall in the food. I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, hopefully this turns out good. I don't know why, but this just doesn't look right to me. Hopefully it turns out good. Like, I don't know if I was supposed to put water in there or not in the taco seasoning. Do you guys do that? Oh, gosh. This is why I don't cook much, because I freak out and like second guess myself each time, but I know the more I cook, the better I'll get at it. But like, yeah, this has been stressful. But I'm just simmering this taco mix in this ground chicken. Okay, this is the finished product. I'm still making one, but it's pretty good. It's got a ton of butter on it because I couldn't find anything else to coat the pan with, but definitely an artery clogging meal. Hello, my gorgeous lovelies. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. Or I'm going to be entering this into a vlog. I can't remember what I'm doing, but that's what I'm doing. This might go into an older vlog with some older clips, so if it is, that'll make sense. If not, this intro, I don't know. I'm all over the place, but let's get started. I'm going to just be using my makeup. I got some new stuff. It's new to me. Maybe old to you. Like the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. This has been around for a while, but I didn't always have access to it. But my my Target recently got ColourPop, so. Oh, but first I'm going to start out with the Silk Canvas. I just have very little bit of this left. I gotta smell to make sure this still is good and not expired. I need some more primer. This is the only primer I own, and it's almost out. I haven't bought or worn makeup in so long. Like, I wear makeup, but I haven't bought makeup in like so long, like months. This is a really spendy primer. I've had it for like 2 years almost. I only use it really specially, and now I'm pretty much completely out of it. Yeah, I've completely hit pan, but I've had this for a while and it was a good one. Would I repurchase it? You know, it would have to be a really special time for me, like the holidays, maybe around my birthday is in December and the holidays. And it would have to be then for me to repurchase it for myself. But I don't know if I would, because they've made so many dupes out of that now. I got way too much foundation on that side. Spread some over. I just use my fingers for foundation now, because I started thinking about like beauty blenders and how gross they are, and how mine, like, I don't know, mine would get all gross, and like I would wash it but it would still get gross and like moldy smelling, and I just don't want to put that near my face. And I have had less breakouts since not using my beauty blender, which I do have some redness on my face still. That's pretty much inevitable for me. I've always had like little red spots on my face just from where I'm so pale. But yeah. And it makes your makeup look more full coverage when you use just your hands, because nothing's soaking it up. It's just the product. So I like that. I'm back. I need to take you guys out to the stores with me sometime, but I get really shy. Me and my sister want to go Dollar Tree hunting. I don't know if I'll take you out with me there, but I'll definitely show a haul from the Dollar Tree. And yeah. Let's see. I don't know if I have all my supplies out. I've just been doing really simple makeup, which I'm just going to powder my cheeks. And only my cheeks. I don't like a whole lot of powder. This is my number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder. It's dirty on the front, but I've hit pan. I need new everything. I just ran out of my Halo Glow Elf powder. That's my favorite. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer in the shade 200 Fair. If I looked really washed out, it's because I'm in front of this window for natural lighting, and the sun is about to set, so it's making the lighting look weird. I don't usually look this washed out. I feel like on camera I look so like, well, I haven't been out in the sun, let's be real, I haven't. So if I look dead, that's why. Because I've been sick for like a month. I know that's all I've talked about lately on my channel, but I think I talked about it in the last video. I've been sick for like a month. I got this new highlighter and I've never used it before, so today's the first time I'm using it. This is the Hard Candy Fix My Halo. Okay, hopefully I can fix my halo. And then look at this. Ooh, so pretty. And it's in the shade Fix My Halo, just that shade. And it says Just Glow Stay Glassy Highlighters, Creamy Bouncy Formula, and Ultra Reflective. I'm gonna put some on the top of my cheekbones. Ooh, so pretty. And I've been wanting an icy highlighter. I still am into that like crazy highlighted look. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Check it out. Oh, it's so reflective. That is nice. And it's hard to find highlighters that are like my color because I'm so pale, but that is nice. Okay. And I know I haven't shown this. I don't think I've shown this. This is the Mentos Mixed Fruit palette. The Neon palette from Brood Cosmetics. Look at this. It's got your shimmers and sparkles down here, your mattes, and your glitters, your mattes, and your shimmers. So beautiful. Should we do pink and green? I load my brush up a lot and I probably shouldn't. I'm not no world-class makeup artist now. I'm just doing what makes me happy, okay? I'm gonna connect that with that silver. Yeah, I know I kind of did my makeup backwards because I wanted to see what that silver highlighter looked like on the face. And I'm gonna do, so I just did Watermelon, and I'm gonna do Mentos Kiss, which is the shimmering pink, with the finger. Oh, that is pretty. We got a little watermelon glam. It's summer, so I'm here for the colorful tropical vibes. We'll re-hit on that highlight if we need to. Let me blend that a little better. Oh, that is pretty. Pretty. I'm gonna use some of the sparkly green up in this. Okay, now we're going back in with our highlight color, and I'm just gonna take my pinky and put it in there and really accentuate that because we want it popping. Now I'm gonna find a liner. Okay, now I'm gonna do the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF. This is a great lip pencil, y'all. This is fabulous. Excuse my hair. I didn't realize it looked as bad as it does. I would add a hair portion to this, but this video is going to be a little too long if I do that. So, and then I'm going in with ColourPop Just a Tint. And this video is very ColourPop heavy. And Gimme S'more. This formula is beautiful. I overdrew my lips a little bit bigger than I like, but especially the bottom lip. But we can't go back now. Actually, I lied. I'm going to do a little spray of the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Setting Spray. I'm so pissed off you have to order this online now. It is the most beautiful dewy setting spray. If you know me, you know I like the dewy look.